How to change keyboard sound on Opera GX. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your Opera GX, then over here tap on settings. Then you can search for sound and then tap on background music or simply go to sounds, and in this keyboard sound simply disable it, or you can change it just like this. There are other sound options as well. You can change it as per your preference. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.